Namaskara. This is Dr. Hema Divakar from Bengaluru, India. On the eve of the Mother's Day, which happens to be on 8th of May, the campaign is all about gift your daughter good health. Invest in adolescence has always been our key concept because with 330 million adolescent girls in the country, if we haven't invested in their health before, well, the second best time is to do it now because the future of the generation next, the health and wealth of the country rests in these adolescents. So in the concept of Vision 2022, the ABCDE, A is for adolescent care, and the campaign is all about making them aware and empowered to know more about HPV vaccine, which is a vaccine against cancer cervix. As you all know, India bears a very great burden of this disease because of the almost non-existence of the early detection or the cancer screening programs. Compared to the West, which has an annual mortality or the women dying of cervical cancer as being only 300 per year, a whopping 74,000 Indian women die of the same disease process because they are detected way too late as an advanced cancer. Well, the new initiative that we are embarking on is to make people know that on one hand, screening the mother is so very important, and we have to somehow bring the screening strategies into place. On the other hand, vaccinating the daughter. The young adolescents between the age of 9 to say 13 to 15 years before they embark on their sexual activity, that is the best target to offer the HPV vaccine. Just like how the mother would have taken a little child for the polio vaccine because she is now aware that just 2 drops of the polio vaccine would prevent the polio virus from entering the system and prevent the child from having the polio. It's as safe, as important is the HPV vaccine because the science has made a breakthrough in the discovery of HPV vaccine, human papilloma virus. That is the HPV virus which is responsible for all the cancers in the cervix. They're called the oncogenic types of HPV vaccine. Well, the vaccine that is now in the market covers to about 75 to 80% of the HPVs which cause the cancer, and therefore if an adolescent girl is offered just 3 doses of HPV vaccine, the dose 0, 2 months later and 6 months later, and she's done with the primary prevention methodology, which means the burden of her having the cancer cervix is reduced to the extent of 80% or so. Well, at the moment, the cancer cervix vaccine is a bit expensive, each dose costing anywhere in the range of 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. But even the affordable population who is well aware of this vaccine, who can have an access to this vaccine, who already know it's safe, 90% of them know it, but hardly 10 to 15% are vaccinated. So this initiative is primarily to drive the campaign so that more and more of our young girls are vaccinated, because what's available, your health is in your hands, is what we'd like to say. And in the campaign of Each One Teach One, we need these young adolescent girls to be vaccinated on a war footing in the entire length and breadth of the country. Well, we foresee, just like how the cost of the laptops and the mobile phones, as how the volumes increase, the costs have been decreasing. So in another couple of years of time, we are quite sure that the cost of these vaccines will reduce too. So let's not waste the precious 3 to 5 years in this decade to at least empower our women with the knowledge so that when they see it as an affordable price, they will be quick to pick on this. Well, there is another small segment which is called a catch-up vaccine, because these vaccines are licensed up to the age of 45 for their use. So the best and the prime target is the adolescent girls, that is 9 to 13 years. But those who have missed it, they can take it even later, like say 20, 25 years before they embark into the sexual activity, as I have said before. And even after the first delivery, because in India, early marriages and early pregnancies are very common. So those even who delivered for the first time are in the age group of 25, 28 years. If the HPV infection, which is a recurrent infection, has come and gone, they would still stand to benefit from these vaccines. So overall, gift your daughter good health is what we would like to say and emphasize yet again in this campaign about Screen the Mother and Vaccinate the Daughter, a campaign against cancer cervix and the HPV vaccination, which is now available at your doorstep. So start early, stay healthy. Your health is in your hands.